All right, where should we start? This is a buffet of cars. Where should we start? So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. If this is called Skyway Classics. Okay, so here we go. A place called Skyway Classics. They consign, store your purchase vehicles. It's at 10420 Portal Crossing in Bradenton. I like this Challenger. Roll cage. There's the hood. What year is this? I'm looking for you Mopar guys, help me out. Where is this? I don't know where this is, Mopar guys. Tell me where. Is it on the side here? Or is this just a racer? Let's see. It's got the roll cage in it. All autometer gauge package. So I think this was used probably right here in Bradenton down at the track. Somebody may have built it. I don't think anybody really could sit in those back seats as much as you would like to. But, yeah, even quick release. I don't see an external on-off switch. Here's a Pantera. CTS, Pantera CTS, nice. American muscle right there, boys. Look at that. American muscle right there. So I love Panteras. I love the love them. I like the look of them. I think we can open this. Yep. Problem is, when you are 6'2", my size, you literally cannot sit in these things. Let's see how many miles we got on this. We got 35583, so 35,000 miles. Sideways radio over there. So these were really cool. You could actually order them from the dealership. You could buy these from a dealership. This one's really solid. Has no windshield wipers. Nice car though. Like the color. Everything on this thing is really, really sweet. Okay. Go inside. So there's that building. Let's go in and see. What do we got? We got a Yanko. Is this a real Yanko? Nice, 427. Is this a 69 Yanko? Is this the real Yanko? It is a 4-speed. I'm gonna say it probably is a real Yanko because it is inside here. So look, they got pretty cool. This looks like a little hangout. Let's see. Pretty cool, guys. Like I said, if you like this thing, please subscribe and put some comments down. Which was your favorite car of all these? I honestly, mine's the Yanko. If that's a real Yanko, it's the Yanko. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.